Right. So what I keep, I was about to try and explain this. So what I keep hearing is anytime I make a noise, I hear like a thunk or like a sound of the creature being alerted by the noise, but it doesn't immediately attack. So I'm thinking, is there a certain amount of noise that I have to make? Like a certain level, or a certain amount of times that I have to make noise before I die? Oh, they have a cooldown period. Okay, so you make noise, they open their masks or whatever, and yeah, you see that? And then after some time, they reset, they cool down, and then you can keep going. So that's what's been happening. That's why I can make a certain level of noise. We have to get out of here. Oh, hey, it's the chapel. Now the doors are fucked. Bro. Bro. Bro, that was fucking scary. You know, that wasn't that bad. From now on, all approvals go through me. We don't have enough supplies to just be handing out medicine to anyone who asks. We gotta be smart about it. Who's been volunteering to go on hunts? Who's been picking up extra cleaning shifts? These are the people who need to prioritize. This is how we survive and thrive. Okay, let's go, let's go. It's over there. Anything useful? Not worth it, not worth it, not worth it. Not worth it, not worth it, not worth it. Go. Okay. Ooh. To the chapel. Wait, is this open?